two detailing giants, Farecla and Meguiar's. Two legendary compounds for paint correction, but think all compounds are the same. One of these uses abrasives that never wear down. This single difference dictates cutting power, finish quality, and even who should use each product. It's the classic matchup. The body shop workhorse versus the weekend enthusiast's favorite. We'll dissect their tech and compare their results, so you know exactly which bottle belongs on your shelf. Meguiar's Ultimate Compound is designed for light to moderate defects, like swirl marks and oxidation. It's known for being incredibly easy to use, even by hand. But does user-friendly mean a compromise? We'll find out. Farecla G3 Extra Plus is a different animal. This is a professional Step 1 product, built for P1500 sanding marks. Meguiar's aims to cut and add gloss in one step. Farecla focuses purely on cutting, requiring a second polish for max gloss, so the battle lines are drawn. Moderate one-step versus heavy two-step correction. The reason is in the abrasives. Meguiar's uses micro-abrasive technology. The particles cut imperfections, then polish the surface, creating that like-new finish. Farecla's abrasives are engineered to not break down. They stay sharp and consistent, providing a faster, more aggressive initial cut. Because those abrasives stay sharp, they are fantastic for cutting, but can leave a fine haze, making a finishing polish necessary. Visual: a car with light swirls. This is the perfect job for Ultimate Compound, restoring gloss without a full-day correction. Visual: a panel with sanding marks. Here you need the aggressive, consistent cut of G3 Extra Plus to level the paint quickly. Wiping away the Meguiar's residue often reveals a glossy surface, ready for wax or sealant. The job can be done in one step. Wiping away the Farecla, the deep defects are gone, but the surface is hazy. A finishing polish is needed for crystal clear gloss. We see what they do, but how do they feel to use? Let's talk about formulation, dust, and cleanup. Farecla is primarily water-based. This simple difference in formulation has big consequences for the user. Its water base means very low dust and minimal throw-off. Cleanup is fast, a huge plus in a professional shop. Meguiar's formulation stays wet longer on the panel, giving beginners a more forgiving window to work the product. Now for one of the most critical differences: fillers. Farecla G3 Extra Plus contains 0 fillers or silicones. No fillers means what you see is what you get. The scratches are permanently gone, which is non-negotiable for new paint jobs. Remember our question about a compromise with a user-friendly product? Proper technique is still vital to get that intended swirl-free finish. Advanced Farecla products can even cut or finish simply by changing the polishing pad, streamlining a pro's entire workflow. The evidence points to two very different user profiles. Let's synthesize this information into a clear picture. Meguiar's is for the DIY enthusiast. Its forgiving nature, extended work time, and one-step potential are perfect for weekend projects. The trade-off is less cutting power for severe defects, and an IPA wipe-down is a good practice to confirm a true, haze-free correction. Farecla is for the professional who demands efficiency and honesty. Its fast, consistent cut provides a permanent, filler-free finish. The trade-off is the need for more skill and a mandatory second polishing step. Its fast action is less forgiving for a total beginner. So it's not about which is better, but which is the right tool for the job, the paint and the user. Let's break down the final choice. Choose Meguiar's Ultimate Compound if you are a DIYer, new to paint correction, or tackling light swirls with minimal fuss. Choose Farecla G3 Extra Plus if you are a professional, tackling heavy defects, or demand a guaranteed filler-free finish for coatings. Two excellent products, built on different philosophies for different needs. Understanding their core abrasive tech is the key to perfect results. Which one fits your detailing style? Let us know in the comments below. And for more analysis of detailing science, make sure to subscribe.